So I come down the stairs as often as I can, and that's how I build muscle in my legs. And at times too, I skip. I can skip without the rope, and I go like this. I go several times till I'm tired, and then I stop. Breathe in and out, and then continue again. Continue. Bouncing is good for bone strength. It helps with osteopenia, loss of bone mass. So skipping. So please do something for yourself. Don't just sit down and let old age take you by surprise. No, no. Get a handle on this thing, and then you can make it. I'm not afraid of old age because I have grabbed it by the neck, and I'm going to do anything and everything to keep myself moving. Moving. I'll catch you later.